Welcome to JH. I've been diving into Loewe Earth Elixir lately, and it truly feels like a luxurious journey into nature's softer, more enigmatic side, minus the actual dirt and mosquitoes. It opens with a radiant mix of sweet pear and earthy truffle, backed by those warm, resinous undertones of oud. Because really, nothing screams sophistication quite like a high-end mushroom garden on your pulse points. Surprisingly, it never feels heavy or overbearing. Instead, it stays illuminated and airy thanks to mimosa, violet, and elemi, which lift the blend into a dreamy floral amber haze. The scent features that unique Loewe accord inspired by Spanish rock rose resin, giving it a rich, organic undertone that manages to be both elegant and grounded. It lasts exceptionally well on the skin, evolving from something bright and fresh into a smooth, subtly musky veil that sticks around all day. It's the perfect companion for cooler days or evenings when you want to feel distinctive yet comforting. Some reviewers even claim it evokes the feeling of walking through a misty forest floor after the rain, which sounds poetic until you remember that usually involves ruined shoes. With its modern unisex appeal and a beautiful mauve gradient bottle topped with a tactile wooden cap, it's a refined experience that balances freshness and sophistication with effortless confidence.